You might not believe it when I say this, but it's actually possible that humans are living in a virtual world. Stephen Hawking publicly expressed his view more than once. The probability that this world truly exists is actually less than 1 in 2 billion. The following bizarre phenomena will show you that this world might really be virtual. The first is the phenomenon of microscopic particles. Everything in the world is made up of microscopic particles. Recently, scientists made a startling discovery. When these particles are not being observed, their states are uncertain, but as soon as they are observed, their states become fixed. Take, for example, the most classic and spine-chilling double-slit interference experiment. When scientists use an ultra-high magnification camera to record the experiment, the results match the predictions. But when the camera is removed, the experimental results are completely different. Why does this happen? Could it be that the particles themselves know whether the camera is observing them or has been taken away? Science still cannot explain this bizarre phenomenon. Perhaps humanity is just part of a virtual world, where everything visible and invisible is controlled by a creator. The second phenomenon, the speed of light. Currently, light is the universe's unsurpassable speed limit. This is because as an object with mass approaches light speed, it requires infinite energy. Of course, it is impossible for humans to achieve this, but as humanity explored the universe, they were shocked to discover the expansion rate exceeds the speed of light. This means we can never see what the universe truly looks like. Even more incredible, compared to the universe, our fastest speeds are like a turtle crawling. If light wanted to escape the Milky Way, it would take about 20 years, yet for light to travel across the universe, it could actually take as long as 120 billion years. It's easy to see just how small and helpless humans truly are. Perhaps the human world really is virtual, and the speed of light might be a threshold deliberately set by the creator for this virtual world, one that can never be surpassed. But if it ever were, this system-like world would completely crash, and everything would be reset to zero. The fourth phenomenon, quantum entanglement. According to physicists, when two entangled microscopic particles are separated, no matter how far apart they are, if the state of one particle changes, the state of the other particle will also change simultaneously. Isn't that amazing? Open your mind and imagine, if these two particles are separated by 1 billion light years and can still change their states at the exact same time, just how fast must this incredible interaction be? Could it be hundreds of times faster than the speed of light? In the human world, the speed of light is the fastest speed there is, so how can there be something even faster than light? It's just unbelievable. It is possible that this world itself is virtual, and what we call quantum entanglement is nothing more than a series of codes being programmed and executed. This leads to a question. Do you hope this world is actually real, or just virtual? Why?